Wanna know how to add featured photos on Facebook? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on your name next to your profile picture. Scroll down, tap on Edit Public Details. Below see you about info. Scroll down. You have an option of featured and below it you can see an option of try it. Tap on try it onto this featured section. You can see you have two of the options to keep the featured photos from the camera roll itself or from the uploaded photos. I am going to choose from the camera roll. For that, tap on see all on the top right. Scroll down. You have an option of keeping as much as you like, so I'm going to choose 5 of them. You can also do the same. So I'm randomly going to choose. When you're done, tap next on the bottom. You have just selected 5 of the featured photos. You can even add more by tapping on this add more. You have an option of adding a title as well. Tap on collection below title and add any of the title. I am going to add one of the title. When you're done, tap on save on the bottom. You can see that your featured photo is being uploaded and your featured collection is being saved as well. So this is it. You have successfully created a featured photos, and that's the title of the featured photo, Dolphin's Dilemma. Tap on it and tap on Edit Featured Collection to see it. You can see all 6 of the featured photos. Tap and save on the bottom to save it again. So this is it. You have successfully created a featured photos on Facebook. Now you can go back on your profile and see all 6 of them just like this. So this is it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.